Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to indent text in Google Sheets using two simple and effective methods. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to neatly organize your spreadsheet contents, making everything easier to read and more professional, perfect for anyone working with lists, categories, or structured data. Let's dive right in and I'll walk you through each step, explaining not just what to do but why it works. So first off, why would you want to indent text in Google Sheets? Well, if you're creating any kind of hierarchy, like a list of tasks, categories with subcategories, or just want things to look a bit cleaner, indenting helps visually separate your information. It's a small formatting trick that can make a big difference. Let's start with the first method, which is using a custom number format. Begin by selecting the cells where you want to add that nice little indent. Just click and drag to highlight your desired text, or simply click on a single cell if you're just working with one. Next, head up to the menu bar at the top, click on Format, and then choose Number, followed by Custom Number Format. This feature is kind of a hidden gem in Google Sheets. It lets you control exactly how your data appears. Now in the custom number format box, you're going to type in 3 spaces on your keyboard. Just tap the spacebar 3 times. Immediately after, add the @ symbol. What's happening here is actually pretty cool. The @ acts as a placeholder for your text, and the spaces before it act like a virtual indent. So when you apply this format, Google Sheets adds that little gap on the left side, making your text look neatly tucked in. Go ahead and hit apply. You should instantly see your text shift to the right inside the cell. If you want a bigger or smaller indent, you can experiment with 4 or even 5 spaces instead of 3 until it looks just right for you. Don't worry if it's not perfect the first time, you can always go back and tweak it later. This method is especially helpful if you want to keep your columns the same size or if your data spans across a lot of rows. Alright, another super straightforward way to fake an indent is by adjusting your columns and merging cells. Here, how it works. First, make your column narrower by clicking on the edge and dragging it, kind of squishing it to the left so it's nice and slim. The idea here is that column A will serve as a sort of indent buffer. Next, select all the cells you want to merge in the rows across columns A and B. You can just click and drag or use the Shift key if needed. Once you've got them highlighted, go up to the toolbar and click Merge Cells. This combines the two columns together, but still leaves column A as that little visual spacer on the far left. Now let's update the column header. Just type a word like category or whatever label fits your spreadsheet. And that's it. You'll see your text appears to be indented because of the clever use of column spacing, even though Google Sheets doesn't have a built-in indent feature like some word processors do. There you go, 2 quick and clever ways to indent your text in Google Sheets for a cleaner, more organized look. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.